In talking about prostate massage, which many guys enjoy, I was recently asked what kind of enema is good to clean the rectum before a prostate massage. So, this video is going to be short and sweet, and I will explain the basics about how to prepare for a prostate massage. I am Dr. Tanji, the Sex Doctor Board Certified Clinical Sexologist, and I talk about all things sexual health and human sexuality without any judgment, shame, or taboos. Please subscribe as it helps to keep these essential conversations going and for the algorithm to prioritize this content. You may also become a member of the Sex Intelligent Club for exclusive content not available here. But for now, please do me a favor and just click and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so let's talk about enemas for cleaning the rectum before a prostate massage or any kind of anal play. For those who are not familiar with what an enema is, an enema is a procedure in which a liquid solution is injected directly into the rectum to cleanse the bowel by expelling the fecal matter. So basically, you are flushing the rectum by inserting clean water that will be flushed out, bringing the poop with it as it exits through your anus, thus effectively cleaning the rectum. Most people can buy enema kits at their local pharmacies or online, and they use them actually at home. Enemas are available without a prescription at most pharmacies, at least here in the United States. Although enemas are used to treat severe constipation or to prepare for a medical procedure or for managing fecal impaction, it can also be used to prepare the area for other purposes, such as anal play or a prostate massage. There are different types of enema solutions in the market that accomplish different goals, but for the purposes of cleaning you out for a prostate massage or anal play, and given that no other health conditions exist, you are good to go just by using tap water or a distilled water enema. I was also asked about using soapy water as an enema. Not a good idea. Ouch! Beware that using minerals and soap in an enema not only can be very irritating and even painful, it puts a person at risk of an electrolyte imbalance, which can be actually fatal. And you don't need to add anything like coffee or citrusy or acidic ingredients in your enema. Not only there's no benefit to it, it can cause irritation, burns, and inflammation. So how do you use an enema at home before a prostate massage or any kind of anal stimulation that will include any kind of penetration? First, wash your hands. Fill the enema bottle with warm tap water or distilled water. Make sure that the temperature of the water is not hot, so don't burn yourself. Find a comfortable position for the insertion of the enema, such as positioning yourself on your left side with your knees pulled in, scooted down, or lightly bent over. Gently insert the tip of the enema bottle into your rectum. Be careful not to hurt yourself or perforate anything as you are going in. You have to actually use some lubricant for the tip of the bottle so you don't hurt the anal opening and to be able to slide the tip of the bottle inside the anus with ease. Then squeeze the bottle to allow the water to slowly flow into your rectum. You will feel some pressure as the liquid is getting in, and although it is hard to accomplish to hold the water in for at least 15 minutes, you should do that. And then release the water into the toilet. Beware that some water may still be inside of your rectum after releasing, so relax as you're letting the liquid flush out and give it some time so all the water is able to come out. Otherwise, it will ooze out when you least expect it, either during penetration or when you fart. And that's it. Now you're ready to go. Obviously, make sure that you clean whatever equipment you used very thoroughly if you intend to reuse it, and also clean yourself really well. Be advised that although using an enema before any kind of anal stimulation can make for a cleaner experience, you may still have some fecal matter left behind, and that is just part of the deal. But a simple enema administered by yourself at home should suffice to make matters more sanitary. If you have any other questions about prostate massage or anal play, leave them below. This is Dr. Tanji, the sex doctor, as always, wishing you safe, great, and a lot of sex. See you next time.